Hi, this is John with WTI, and yes, I'm not the 007 agent, but I this is my gun that I've been using for mounting these blocks in here. So I've been trying to improve my decoration in my bedroom. So this is my silicone gun that I've been using from Trooper. This is quality. Hits up's great, and it's always gonna give you like the high quality that Trooper only does. Like it's great. The materials is plastic, but it actually built. It has a kickstand that you're not going to have the problem that you can may burn yourself. That is gonna drip out into your desk or whatever you're putting this um, pistol in. So this is high quality. It has a protection right here in the tip, so that you're not going to be dumb enough to burn yourself with this. So if you're looking for a great silicon gun that is going to do the job for you, that is going to heat up really fast and is going to do great, this Trooper is great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.